katag is real. Ang isa po diha naghinoktok. Ang basement di maitsura. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Basta way klase ang mga bubay ini. Ayan, oh.
What?
Happy?
Yeah. I like pink.
LOL. Puzzle. Gikatag bitaw sa manghod. Mao na, oh. Na ang manghod, oh.
Her hair. Her hair has to be here.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait.
Help ate anak. Help og katag.
Before you cut that.
Before you katag, it's already katag na. Before katag, Alaysa?
Mommy, I did it!
Oh, wow. Very good. After this, we're gonna do subtraction and addition. Alaysa, close that one.
I'm done with this.
You're done?
Because I'm gonna be so tired.
Oh, yeah. Okay, clean up na.
Can I do instructions?
Subtraction. Subtraction.
Can we
When you're done, we're gonna cook noodles. Okay, for lunch. Sige na.
Oh my god, this is super heavy.
Oh yeah. Put all in the box. Ito, clean up. Yes. Good job. Sige na. Clean up. Clean up na, oh. Help ate. Clean up na, clean up. Nandun niya, oh.
After I play, I clean up, and then when we go upstairs, can you cook noodles?
Yes. Yes, for lunch. Okay. And you, Alaysa, also? What you eat, Alaysa, for lunch? Push you? Nagdulag tuwing tuya ka diya? Thank you, Aliana, for cleaning up.
I'm helping you.
Oh, wow. Very nice. You're helping Mommy? How about here? The mess over here. Ay, nako.
And your bum bum.
Yeah. Okay, kamay na lang. Ikaw diha. Bakit tabang-tabang kay ate? Tabang lang kagkatag.